In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the difference quotient. The difference quotient is when you find f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And we're going to use the function f of x is equal to negative 3x squared. So I need to evaluate this expression right here using the given function. So I have f of x. I need to find f of x plus h. So to find f of x plus h, everywhere in f of x that I see x, I'm going to replace it with x plus h. So I have negative 3, and then in parentheses, I'm going to do x plus h and then square it. Now when I distribute this, I'm going to get negative 3x squared minus 6xh and a minus 3h squared. So I take the x plus h and square it, and then I distribute the 3. Now I can take my f of x plus h and put it into that expression. So down here, I'm going to replace f of x plus h with negative 3x squared minus 6xh minus 3h squared, and then I'm going to subtract f of x. Since f of x is negative 3x squared, when I subtract a negative 3x squared, that becomes a positive 3x squared, and that's all over h. So now I can get rid of terms that cancel, so I have a negative 3x squared that I can get rid of with the 3x squared. And then that looks like all I can do from here. What I'm left with is negative 6x h minus 3h squared all over h. Then the last thing I can do is factor an h from the top and cancel it with the h in the denominator. So I'm left with negative 6x minus 3h. And this is as simplified as you can get unless you have a value for x or h that you can plug in. But this is as far as we can go with